Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, where we dive deep into real opportunities in the crypto world without any hype or fluff. If you're tired of chasing meme coins and want to explore powerful projects with real-world potential, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into how Ondo Finance is bridging Wall Street and Web3. Let's get started. In the fast-paced world of decentralized finance, one name is rapidly gaining ground and rewriting the rules: Ondo Finance. Positioned at the cutting edge of blockchain innovation, Ondo is revolutionizing how the financial world interacts with traditional assets by digitizing and democratizing them. With a market capitalization now surpassing $3.5 billion, Ondo Finance has become a key player in the tokenization of real-world assets, ushering in a new era where anyone, anywhere, can gain access to U.S. Treasury bonds and ETFs through blockchain protocols. Spearheading this transformation is Nathan Allman, the CEO of Ondo Finance, whose vision is to bridge the gap between conventional finance and the decentralized world. In this video, we'll explore Ondo's rapid growth, groundbreaking partnerships, technological milestones, and why its model signals a major shift in the global financial system. To begin, let's take a closer look at what Ondo Finance is all about. At its core, Ondo Finance is a decentralized protocol built to serve as a bridge between traditional capital markets and blockchain ecosystems. Imagine the services of an investment bank. Now decentralize that concept, eliminate layers of intermediaries, and make the products accessible to everyday investors. That's the promise of Ondo. By tokenizing real-world financial instruments such as government bonds and ETFs, Ondo makes them available 24/7 across global blockchain networks. Investors no longer need to rely on centralized platforms, meet high minimum thresholds, or face geographical restrictions. It's about breaking down the barriers that have historically limited access to the most stable, proven forms of wealth preservation. Ondo Finance isn't confined to a single blockchain. Instead, it operates as a cross-chain protocol with integrations across more than 80 decentralized applications. Its reach extends through major blockchain networks like Ethereum, Solana, Sui, Aptos, Polygon, Stellar, Ripple, Mantle, Arbitrum, and Cosmos via Noble. This extensive integration ensures maximum exposure, liquidity, and utility for its tokenized products. Such wide adoption didn't happen by chance. It's the result of deliberate strategic development and seamless compatibility with these diverse ecosystems. Part of what makes Ondo Finance so compelling is the list of powerhouse institutions backing and partnering with the project. These aren't just blockchain companies, they're some of the most respected names in traditional finance. Take Morgan Stanley, one of the largest and most influential investment banks in the world. Then there's BlackRock, the globe's biggest asset manager, which brings unmatched credibility and experience. Other notable partners include Anchorage Trust, a leader in digital asset custody, ClearStreet, a robust clearing and settlement platform, and NAV Consulting, specialists in fund administration. These partnerships do more than provide a badge of legitimacy. They give Ondo access to a wealth of knowledge, industry infrastructure, and networks that most blockchain projects can only dream of. In essence, Ondo isn't just building a new financial system, it's building it alongside the most powerful players in the existing one. A defining moment for Ondo came on May 14, 2025, when the company made history by partnering with JPMorgan and Chainlink to complete the very first public tokenized treasury trade. This wasn't just a milestone for Ondo. It marked the launch of the Ondo Chain testnet and a concrete step toward making tokenized finance a global standard. Here's how it worked. Tokenized short-term U.S. Treasuries were issued on the Ondo Chain, with payments processed using JPMorgan's Kinesis digital payment system, a permissioned blockchain designed for secure settlement. Chainlink's cross-chain interoperability protocol, CCIP, ensured seamless coordination across networks. This test proved that real-world assets can be issued, traded, and settled entirely on-chain with a secure, compliant infrastructure. According to Nathan Allman, it's a critical step forward. Chainlink's co-founder Sergey Nazarov emphasized that this proves major banks are done experimenting. They're now actively integrating public blockchain solutions into their systems. As of today, Ondo's token trades around 89 cents per unit, ranking at number 35 on CoinMarketCap, with a live market cap exceeding $3.5 billion. Despite still trading 58% below its all-time high, which was recorded on December 16, 2024, the trajectory is clearly upward. Why? Because multiple indicators show bullish momentum. The price is rising, volumes are increasing, and overall market sentiment is recovering. Most notably, the total value locked (TVL) in Ondo's ecosystem reached an all-time high of $1.19 billion on May 13, 2025. Currently, Ondo trades above key support levels at 80 and 0.66, critical accumulation zones where savvy investors often make their moves. So how exactly does Ondo Finance work under the hood? It begins with tokenization, the process of converting traditional assets like treasury bonds into digital tokens that can be bought, sold, or held on the blockchain. These tokens are divisible, easily transferable, and accessible at any time from anywhere in the world. That means no more waiting for banks to open or brokers to process trades. Ondo currently offers 3 primary tokens, each designed for a specific purpose. Ondo's flagship stablecoin. Unlike typical stablecoins such as USDT or USDC, which are backed by fiat reserves, USDY is secured by short-term US Treasury bonds. This makes it not only stable but yield-generating. Investors can expect to earn around 5.1% annually while holding a digital asset pegged to the US dollar. OUSG, government bond exposure on the blockchain. OUSG represents tokenized shares in the iShares Short Treasury Bond ETF by BlackRock. This provides a fully regulated, recognized avenue for investors to gain exposure to short-term U.S. bonds while remaining fully within the decentralized ecosystem. OMMF, Money Market Backed Token. OMMF offers diversification by representing U.S. money market funds. Investors benefit from the relatively low volatility of these assets while enjoying the 24/7 accessibility and ease of digital tokens. In another major announcement, PayPal's dollar-backed stablecoin PYUSD is now integrated into the Ondo ecosystem. This means that investors can seamlessly convert PYUSD into Ondo's OUSG tokens, which represent short-term treasury-backed assets, and vice versa, without waiting periods. This is a big deal. Normally, securities markets operate on a T+2 basis, meaning it takes 2 business days to settle trades. But this integration eliminates those delays, thanks to Paxos Trust Company managing the reserves for PYUSD. This partnership brings more than just speed. It offers instant access, enhances liquidity, and connects Ondo to PayPal's vast user base, increasing adoption and use cases for tokenized real-world assets. Perhaps one of the boldest moves by Ondo Finance is its recent collaboration with MasterCard's multi-token network, MTN. As the first RWA, real-world asset provider onboarded to MTN, Ondo is bringing tokenized short-term U.S. Treasury products directly to businesses operating on MasterCard's digital rails. This integration allows institutions to earn yields on idle balances via tokenized assets with real-time subscriptions and redemptions. No more reliance on stablecoin on-ramps or rigid settlement windows. This is real-time finance for the digital age. Ondo Finance is not just a project, it's a movement. It represents the convergence of decades of financial tradition with the limitless possibilities of blockchain technology. From Wall Street to the decentralized web, from institutional giants to individual investors, everyone can now participate in an open, transparent, and efficient financial system. With the backing of JPMorgan, BlackRock, MasterCard, PayPal, and Chainlink, Ondo is positioned at the heart of this financial evolution. As we move further into 2025 and beyond, Ondo's role in reshaping how the world stores, earns, and moves money is only expected to grow. So stay tuned, stay informed, and remember, you're witnessing the early stages of a financial revolution, and Ondo Finance is leading the charge. If you found this valuable, be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any future updates on crypto trends that actually matter. Drop a comment below and let me know, how many Ondo tokens are you holding and what's your price target?